My English name is Darren Yelton. My ancestral name is Knuckleton. I started carving at the age of 9, and when I was about 12 years old, I was really serious into it. My main projects are large totem poles that I do for many cities throughout British Columbia. The totem pole is a Kayachten totem pole. In my language, Kayachten means I reach my arms out to you and I welcome you to the sacred area. Our Squamish Nation people have carved welcome poles for hundreds of years. I'm very honored and thankful that those elders gave me the inspiration to do what I do today as a professional master carver. For 49 years, I chose the welcome figure in a lot of my designs. It's just to bring more people close to each other and not become an enemy with one another, become more of a friend and peaceful with each other. So the pole represents peace and friendship, and it's to welcome all people through that front door. Nobody is forgotten. I feel very honored that the shelter has contacted me and asked me to do the restoration work on this wonderful totem pole. I just hope they look at the pole and realize this pole represents peace and friendship for all human beings, and that we all got to learn to live together and hold each other up and not become enemies with anybody who comes through this door. Because that door, once they walk in and they view that wonderful marker that's out there right now, the Kayachten totem pole, that pole's put there for a reason to show each person that enters this door that this is a peaceful building and we all got to grow together and live together and be as one, because we all are the same. We're put on Mother Earth for one reason, and that's to take care of Mother Earth together. Ocean.